Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 14, 3.14, sign and size qualifiers. Already in the previous concepts, I amply explained about the sign, unsigned, signed data types and unsigned data types. What is the meaning and purpose of that? I clearly explained that you keep in mind. If we, for example, sign int, whatever int we are writing, that is signed by default it is applicable, then minus is also applicable, then its range will be minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. If it is made unsigned qualifier, we must use it explicitly. We should write it. By default it is not applicable. Unsigned int means its range no minus is applicable and its range starts from 0 and the maximum range is 65,535. Already I have given a detailed explanation, and once again just I remind you, where minus values are irrelevant or minus values are not used in our program, then you can declare them with unsigned. When you declare them with unsigned and all that, then the range is bigger. That's why for the same type you can use uh, bigger values. Suppose if you take signed int, then its range is maximum range is 32,000 plus 32,767. Then if you have to give 40,000, you cannot give because data overflow happens. That's why if minus values are not applicable, you can take unsigned int, then up to 65,535 you can give values. And logically also, where minus values are not applicable, minus values are not relevant, why should you use sign? Number of articles, number of students, number of people, like that. Minus values are not applicable. 0 may be applicable, but minus values are not applicable. Then you can use unsigned. That already in a detailed manner I explained. Thereafter, in many occasions, programming program demands to know the size of a particular data type. For that purpose, this is frequently used operation in advanced programming. For that purpose, C provides us a simple operator. It looks like function, but it is not a function. It is made as an operator. Already I told you, in operators all are symbols except one, that is size of, single word, not two words. It looks like function like this, size of. Actually, you have to logically think, why it is looking like function, why they didn't make it as operator without doing function, without making it function? There is a reason behind it. If you have to use clear screen, what you are doing, you have to include conio.h. If you have to use printf or scanf, you are including stdio.h. Suppose this also is stored in one of particular header file and all that. If you have to use this, you have to include that header file, otherwise it leaves a error. That's why some frequently used things are made part of the language, not in the library. Already I told you, main function. Actually, main function, it is a function. It should be put in one of the libraries, but they made it a part of the language. No header file, because for every program you have to use main. Then including header file is a overhead. That's why they did it. And they made it as a part of the language. In the same manner, many operators use plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. around 45 operators used in the program very frequently, depending on the requirement of the program. Then those are made part of the language. Otherwise you have to include a header file. By that way, the C developers always made the language user friendly. Many user friendly techniques they adopted in the language. Size of, because of that reason, size of was made as part of the language. That means made as an operator, not a standard library function. That's why we, in order to use size of, we need not include any header file. That point you must remember. So while working one program, you want to know the what is the size. Size means number of bytes of a particular data type. Then simple way you write size of short, size of int, size of long, size of float, size of double, size of long double, size of char. Like that you write. Then when you write that, you can retrieve the size in bytes. Now size of short. Now I told you that is 2. Size of int, this is also 2. Size of long, that is 4. In this context, one point I have to tell you, on 16-bit compiler it is 2. On 32-bit compilers and all that, int is 4. That point you must remember that. So on 16-bit it is 2. On 32-bit compiler it is int size is 4 and long 4, float 4, double 8, long double 10 bytes, char 1 byte. And if you want to put unsigned also, you can put that also. The same values will come. Signed, unsigned, size wise there is no difference. Range wise difference is there. Don't confuse with the size and range. These are the sizes. Ranges already I showed you using limits.h. And here one more important point I have to tell you. Now int is we have declared. Here now, so now in this program we have written all the data types. Now once a variable is declared, not only data type, if you simply, instead of writing int, if you write age also, you can get 2. Suppose a long tel number, your telephone number you declare is a long. Then here instead of long you put tel number, whatever name used there, the same name you must use, but it should be declared. Only declared variable identifier, if you use that, you can retrieve the value. Actually in advanced programming programs, we have to use this size of very frequently. That's why they made it as an operator. How you are able to use plus, minus and all that. In the same way, size of is used and without including any header file. Always remember that C provides 45 operators. Out of that, all are symbols, but except size of. Size of is a term, word, and looks like function, but is not a function. That point you must remember. If it is a standard library function, you must include the corresponding header file. That is not required because this is an operator.